So I am at Fort Macon State Park down at Atlantic Beach, and I'm going to take a bike ride. See what I can see basically. Yeah, a lot of people come over here to fish, believe it or not, because there's a beach access. This is part of the fort stuff. Cannon. I don't know if you can see it, but over there are more cannons. Oh. Oh boy, I feel like I'm on a sand dune, sand buggy. Oh man. If this were not electric, there's no way I'd be able to come out here. So tell me what you think, people. Isn't this a beautiful view? That's spectacular looking. Man, this is something else. Riding along the beach here. Go take a look at these rocks over here. I have to give it some power, get some momentum. Already starting to lose some traction here. Let's go down here and check out these rocks a little bit, as much as I can. I can smell the fish smell. You know, that ocean smell. Let me park this thing.